have a question.
Yes.
Am I getting paid for this?
You can have all the hugs and kisses you want.
Look.
Hey everybody, I'm gonna make a instructional video here, I hope, on what to expect when you've got carpet coming in or any kind of flooring coming in. So this morning, before I went back to the shop to cut carpet, I did ask my wife, hey, just move all the little bitty stuff in the living room, and when I get back, I'll move the furniture. And this is on a normal job, this is what we would ask too. We will move your heavy items of furniture, but we ask that you move your breakables. This is a great example right here. This is the stuff we want you guys to move. I also want you to move, kids' toys, stuff like this. Again, ornaments, anything that might be in our way that we could possibly damage. And some of this stuff you can't even put a price on, right? I could charge you an infinite amount of money and it still wouldn't replace that. So this is what we would, when we say this is the stuff we move, this is what it is. On a job like this, there's gonna be at least 2 guys that show up to move the furniture. There might be just 1 installer on the job once everything gets going, but there's gonna be at least 2 guys that show up to move this, because I believe you can't move this stuff safely with 1 person. Couch, chair, little cubby thing, nightstand or end table. And then over here, here's what everybody's got. TV, and I got a DVD player upstairs. But will we move this? I'll pick your TV up. I'll pick your your TV stand up. What I don't want to do, or what we don't want to do, is have to unhook this rat's nest. This is a great example right here why we don't want to unhook wires. I don't know what's what. I don't know what goes to what. I am a flooring installer. I'm damn good at what I do. That stuff just causes me aggravation, anxiety, and and any installer that has to deal with that, it's just, they're not going to want to do it. So have that unhooked, have it labeled, do what you got to do, and we will take care of that. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move furniture, and we'll touch on a couple more things. Boom! Furniture is moved, and I want to share something with you. Don't be upset, people. Don't be alarmed. You will find buried treasures underneath your furniture. We're going to find them. We don't care. This is it. Heck, this is my house. This is just what it is. Look at this. We got medals. The good news is sometimes we find money underneath here. Last place I was at, I think I found like 18 cents, so we'll set that up on a window ledge. What we do when we run across this, we can kind of tell what the garbage is all going to be. But this looks like a kid toy. I mean, I know it is. This is a kid toy. This is a kid toy. This is for my daughter, and another kid toy. We're not going to throw this stuff away. We're going to set it up on a counter, up on a ledge. It's no big deal. We can handle it. Another thing, I want to show this to you, why we need the room to move the furniture. By the way, guys, I got my beautiful wife, Jeannie, doing the camera. But you see, we want room to put stuff so we can, look at this. I ended up having to move. Remember I said I didn't want to move all the knickknacks on here? And that's why, because now I actually had to move that and get it out of the way. We just left the knickknacks on. But now I've got room to get my carpet around, get my carpet in there. So there's a couple things we can do next. One service that I will offer is for those of you, with allergies or just worried about your indoor air quality. A great thing to do is, after we pick up all the garbage, is we can vacuum the carpet. Now, if you, the homeowner, are tearing out moving your own furniture, a good practice would be just vacuum the carpet. Think of your carpet as a big HEPA filter, and truthfully, it is the best filter probably in your house. It just needs to be cleaned like any other filter. So instead of me, I'm gonna go in here, I'm gonna start yanking up these corners. Things are gonna kind of start flying up. That if you're sensitive to that kind of stuff, and the importance of indoor air quality is that if that's important to you, we can do that for you. Otherwise, if you're moving your own stuff, go ahead and vacuum up. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go clean this all up, vacuum it all up. Okay, so here we are, ready to go. This is why it's important to have room, and I'm gonna show you here. 12-foot wide carpet. Whoops. All right. 12-foot wide carpet. I've got to get in here. I don't want to bend this. I really don't. It's a thick, heavy piece of carpet. What can possibly happen is you can damage that. Sometimes you just have to bend it. There's just no way to get around it. So, I'll do. Again, we like to have 2 people, but it doesn't always work that way. You gotta breathe heavy too. Lots of noise. All right, got it in here. We're gonna get it unrolled. Get some new rug. And just like that, the carpet is installed, the furniture's back in, toys are all back in, and we're able to enjoy our living room. So hope this video was helpful for you guys to kind of what to expect when expecting carpet. Yeah, that sounds like it needs to be a title of a book. But that's the process we go through, getting everything ready to make your, to install your new carpet. Thanks again for watching.